Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I have to unbox. And I have a special box from Walmart. Just received this. I haven't even taken the plastic off of the outer box yet. And I figured I would film this while I was filming some others so that we could move on with that. This is a limited edition box. This is not their normal beauty boxes like the classic and the trendsetter. To the best of my knowledge, I think this is the, I don't know if this was the limited edition. I think it was like $11 and change. I don't know if it was a Halloween one or a fall box. I honestly don't remember. I saw it. I got an email from them and jumped right on it. So let's just see what we have in here. And was this the box that Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is... okay, so now I'm not sure what is supposed to be. Now I'm confused. Okay, now I'm confused. I thought this was the limited edition box, so evidently this is not. I know I was charged for, this is the actual beauty box. I was charged for both of my Walmart beauty boxes, so I guess this is the fall box. I'm honestly not sure now. I thought this was the limited edition one that I spent money on, but I guess not. So here's the box, the front of the card, and then here it's giving you a list of products, but I'm confused. Oh, let me... little sneak peek into the box here. That's why I'm confused, because there's more products here than are in the box. But it doesn't say shop these products and find WalmartShopBeautyBox.com. Okay, I'm just going to start. I don't understand. Like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 5 in the box. So do you get 5 out of the 7? I don't know. I would have to maybe read up on it and find out. But this is from Gold Bond. And this is the Ultimate Strength and Resilience Plumping Moisturizer. Full size is $9.48. And that's for 13 ounces. And this is obviously a sample. It's 0.75. But a nice little sample nonetheless to try out. The next item that I see is from Bausch and Lomb, and this is Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops, and this should be like a little blister pack if I'm not mistaken. We've gotten these in the past. Yeah, inside here is a little, like, you don't get many of the drops in this, but that's still nice to try to see if you want full size. Is $11.97 for 0.1 fluid ounces. Eye drops are expensive, so if you have not tried this and you want to, that's a nice way to try it out. The next thing with this is a huge, okay, this is for hair, Marc Anthony. Oh, okay, so this is a huge size. Okay, we're just going to compare size tubes here so you can see the difference in the tube. So this is from Marc Anthony, Strictly Curls Lotion. Go curly for a natural look this season. This value, full size, is $6.97, and this is not even full size. Wow. Full size is 8.3 fluid ounces for $6.97. This is 5.9 fluid ounces. What does full size look like? This is a big container. I would definitely think that was full size. And then the next one is not even on the card. This is a Biore Love Your Porous Rose Quartz and Charcoal Cleanser, but it's not even listed here. The 2 items that are listed on my card are Collab Unicorn Dry Shampoo and Dickinson's Alcohol-Free Gentle Balancing Toner. So there were 2 options. And then there's a NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. And this is in Blind Sorbet. I don't know if that will show up on the camera or not. That's like a really nice pink. I'm not going to open this just because I have so many. sheer to medium coverage in Fab Fall shades. I wouldn't necessarily say that's a fall shade. The shades that you're showing are like a red and like a, I don't know, I'll show you, but that pink is definitely not a fall shade. So you can see there the two shades that they're showing. You can see the card, so you can see the two products that I did not get, and then the Biore product is not even listed. So I'm confused by this. Oh, and then plus they have the assorted sheet mask. There's no sheet mask, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products out of the 5. So there's 3 products here that I did not receive, but this Biore product, this cleanser, is not even on the card. So I'm confused as to what Walmart's doing here, but I do believe this is one of the beauty boxes. I don't know which one. How did this come addressed? My full name. I usually shorten my name. I have a nickname, but I don't use it here on YouTube, so I usually use that one for one box. And so I'm going to have to go on the Walmart site and look. But I could have sworn coming should have been the limited edition box that I ordered that I think was $11. But I know I was just recently charged the $5 for each of the Classic and the Trendsetters. This has to be one of them, as far as I know. So that is the Walmart beauty box. I don't know which one. I'll have to look it up, and I'll put it up on the screen as soon as I can go online and find out. They do offer both boxes, Classic and Trendsetter, and it's based upon age. When you fill out the little, tiny little profile, I guess they decide if you use different emails and then flip your age, you can get the opposite. These are free boxes. You just pay the $5 shipping. That's what I just paid the $5. 4 seasons, 4 boxes, and you receive approximately 5 items. I did receive 5 items. You usually do get a full size. Even if they're saying this is not full size, that is full size in my opinion anyway. So tell me what you thought of this. You know, they took a break and coming back and supposed to be bigger, you know, like bigger and better. I don't see much of a difference. Same box, basically same types of products, same price. I don't know what they took a break for, unless it was COVID related. I honestly have no idea. Walmart beauty boxes are back. I'm happy about it. I love this box. I wish Target never stopped. They were great boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.